Did you know you can now manipulate text inside of Canva? Stick around and I'll show you how. All you need to do now is to open Canva and scroll down to apps, click on it, click on the search bar provided here and then search for TypeCraft. Hit enter. Click on the app right here. At this point, I'm just going to zoom out my entire screen so that you see everything happening in real time. Now you are provided with this side panel with a few options. This is a sample text, okay, which you can edit from here. So that's the first option, your ability to edit the text. Let's just type in my name right here. The next option is the ability to change your font type. So you have all of Canva's fonts available here. Next, you have the styles. So the unfilled one gives you just the borders of the text. Okay, and then the outline gives you both the fill and the outline or the borders of the text. Now you can change the color of your text right here, and you see it's updating down here in real time. You can also change the color of the border of your text. Next, we have the edit shape. Now this is where the real sauce is. Over here you have 6 points, and you may think it's 10, but it's actually 6, and you see why in a bit. The points at the corners can be dragged to anywhere you want, and you realize that that one skews or changes the form of your text. Okay, so you can either drag it inward or outward just to suit whatever you want to do. And then the middle points also can be dragged, but they come with handles. Okay, so the handles determine the curvature of your text, as you can see me doing right now. Now you realize that these function just like the pen tool inside of other graphic design apps. So after doing this, you realize that it doesn't show in your canvas, and to do that you would have to click on add elements to design, and then it's going to load up just like that. And the thing about this particular feature is that you cannot update or edit it right from the canvas. You have to do all the editings from right here. So let's say I'm changing this name to Benjamin. You realize it updates over here but not here. So after you upload the element onto the canvas, it changes to update element. You click on it and then it loads and updates just like that. So any other editing you would want to do, just do it here, click on update element, and then voila, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know that if there are any other tutorials you'd like me to make. If you've got any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. And as always, my name is Fred, and I'll see you in the next video.